Talking about this beautiful 2023 Ford Super Duty dressed up in the STX trim package, which does include the LED headlights and half of an LED tail light. A very common package. You're going to see this on Lariats, STXs, XLTs, possibly many other trucks. First thing you're going to notice is those LED fog lights. I believe if you have fog lights now on a Super Duty, they're going to be LED on the 23 models, and it's an extremely easy plug and play auto flasher kit that will run those fog lights. Now, you don't lose any of your original function at all. The fog lights are going to work perfectly normal when the strobe switch is off. You also do not need auxiliary switches to run this kit. You can easily run it off of any one of our switches from our switch category online, or you may hook it up to your factory auxiliary switches. Now, regarding those fog lights, you can choose to alternate flash them the way they're shown. You can even synchronize them with another kit like shown here, where we synchronize them with a plug-and-play DRL kit for those headlights. They're in sync in what is referred to commonly on my videos as an X pattern, meaning the upper left and lower right light are synchronized to flash at the same time as the upper right and lower left. Now, this is easily achievable. You can do this in a variety of ways. Both left, both right, top to bottom, whatever your heart is desired. You can even run multiple kits with multiple different flash patterns. As you might notice, the roof lights, another one of our plug-and-play kits that easily and quickly installs right behind the passenger grab handle by the windshield there. That roof kit is set on a completely different pattern. Now, we have 29 patterns available in our modules, our auto flasher modules, and you can choose any one of those patterns. Steady flashing together in unison or alternative as the headlights, totally up to you.